So going over our rig to rescue system, the benefit is you can actually pre-establish your hauling and lowering system before the work ever even has a chance to begin. So ideally what we've done here is we've set up a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. And the benefit is it's always gonna be progress capturing. So the ID will actually take the weight as we haul up. So if we accidentally let go of the rope, nothing happens. Everything is captured within the ID. So I built the 3-to-1 mechanical advantage established to each descender, and now I'm simply going to take both lines at the same time, and I'm going to haul. You'll notice that as I haul, our rope grab and pulleys will actually start to drift closer and closer to our descenders. Every so often, to gain enough leverage, you'll just have to slide up again on our rope grabs and then reestablish the haul. To discuss some of the things that are beneficial about the rig to rescue system is after we've established our height point at which we want to work at, the idea is that we're able to lower out that system without anyone ever having to put themselves up into the air and putting themselves at risk. So the idea here is that because we've established a nice ground anchor where it's easily accessible for the rest of the team to be at, we can actually lower the affected individual down to the ground without ever having to perform a stationary rescue. So the idea here is that what we're gonna do is I'm going to establish both hands, one hand on both of my tail ends of rope, one hand operating both handles of my descenders. And we're simply going to lower out at a nice steady pace.